Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Italia Dutton. Thank you again for watching another one of my videos. And of course, it's a Boxycharm video today. I'm really excited to try all these products and I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, I'll see you in the video. And today, you already know what it is. You already know what the deal is. You already know what's about to go down. So, Boxycharm, yeah, you guessed it. It's in the title. You already know. So it is the month of April. So I'm doing that one. So like always, I'm gonna open it up, show you all the products, give you the prices, and then I'm gonna try some of the products on my face and see how I like it. So this month's theme is called Festival Vibes right here. So the first product is these little beauty sponges right here, which are shaped pretty weird, awkward, but I think all the sharp corners will be good for like under the eye, those little fine places of your face. You can never go wrong with more sponges. And those retail for $20. And they're by the brand Hank & Henry. Next we have the Professional Face Primer right here by Benefit Cosmetics. And that retails for $32. And it quickly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. So I'll be using this today before I apply all my makeup. Next thing is this Iconic London Pumping Lip Gloss right here. This is more pink than what I would usually go with, but we're gonna try it anyway. Let's see how that goes. And that retails for $26. I've gotten an Iconics London lip gloss before and I really liked the other one. It wasn't as pink as that one. And it just went over my lipstick, which was nice. I'll again just try it out, see how I like it. You never know, I might surprise myself. Next is this lavish set of brushes right here. And they're more like detailed brushes. They're not necessarily big for your face or even for your eyes, really. Like, I don't see it as a... Come on! There we go. Anyway, so it's these right here, but as you can see, they are pretty small and more for like those details that you want to do for your eyes. I will be incorporating some of these in the look as well. Last but not least is this Zoeva Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette right here. And I'm actually excited. I've never used a Zoeva product before, so I'm really excited to try this out. This is what the inside looks like. Right here. They look like really nice colors, and again, I love how they have the names underneath the colors. It just makes it so much easier. So we're gonna dip into that today. So I'm gonna start off with this Professional Primer right here by Benefit Cosmetics. And it's actually a really good size tube right here. I've gotten a one of the small like sample ones before, and I still have it, so it lasts a long time. Honestly, with Boxycharm, you get full-size products for like $20-some a month, and you can't beat that. Like, this right here itself was, how much again? $32. So you're getting all these full-size products for like $27. Like, you really can't beat that. Okay, let's get started. So I'm just gonna put some in my hand, and that's what the color looks like right here. Just gonna mix it up, and then pat onto my face, which that might have been, you know, too much to use for my face, but I never know. So, and you can just use it for under your eyes or just wherever you choose. Basically, it has a really smooth consistency, which I like, and it smells really good. Just blend that into your skin, rub it in. So now I'm just gonna do my face routine and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and I put on some foundation, and now I'm gonna do my concealer. I went and wet these sponges right here, and I'm gonna use the small one to kind of blend the concealer that's on my nose so that it's a really straight line, and I'm gonna use it for under my eyes as well. I definitely like the smaller sponges like this to really get in the corners right here and not leave any of those harsh lines between your foundation and your concealer. It really just blends it all together. And by the way, my foundation went on so smoothly. that professional primer right there, wow, made a huge difference in how my foundation went on. And now I'm just going to take this big one and I'm just going to kind of blend everything together, press it into the skin, and just kind of make everything smooth and seamless. So I'm going to set my under eyes with some, why am I forgetting the name? Translucent powder, wow, by Cover FX. And again, I'm just going to take this more clean side of the small one and go ahead and do that. And as you can see, I'm not using a lot of powder. I don't like how dry it makes my face look. So I'm just taking very minimal and kind of just stamping it onto my face to kind of smooth it out and so that the concealer doesn't crease. But I don't really like to cake it on there. Okay, while that's baking or whatever, we will be doing our eyebrows. So I don't have like an eyebrow dip or whatever to where I would be able to use this end of the brush, but I will use this spoolie to just kind of comb it out. And then I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz right here in the shade Medium Brown. Okay, now I'm going to wipe all of that powder off. And I will finish doing the rest of my face. Alright, now it's time to jump into this palette. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm going to do. I'm going to start off with this color right here called Substitute for Love. Put that on a blending brush. And there's a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of shimmer in there, but I don't think it's going to be too noticeable when doing your makeup. Okay, now below that, I'm going to do this shade right here called Freshly Toasted. Now on the inner part of my eye, I'm going to go in with this shade here called, I'm going to butcher this so bad and I'm so sorry, but I think it's called Pure Ganache? Maybe? Don't know. But like I said, if I'm wrong, I apologize, my bad. Correct me down in the comments like how it's supposed to be said. I'm gonna take a flat brush and spray it with some like setting spray or something to really make that color pop. Okay, now on like the middle portion of my eye, like right about here, I'm gonna go in with this shade called Subtle Blend. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Beans and White. And I'm gonna use this brush right here that I got in the Boxycharm box to kind of blend out that outer V. And I'm going to go back in with the shade Subtle Blend and put that on the middle because I feel like it kind of got washed out. Okay, and in the corner of my eye, for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this shade right here called Sweeter End. And for that, I'm going to use, again, this pencil right here that I got in the box. Okay, now under the eye, I'm going to mix these two shades right here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner off camera and probably my lashes if I can freaking get them on. As you can see, I never really put lashes on because I have fairly good like normal lashes, and I don't know. And I also just suck at putting on lashes, so it's just easier for me to just skip it, but I'm gonna try to do it today. Okay, honestly, my eyelashes look pretty good today. I'm not gonna even bother to put on. What do you guys think? Comment down below to say if I should start wearing lashes just for the F of it, or just leave them be. Let them be natural. Alright, so next we're gonna finish off the look with the lips. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this lip liner called Sandstorm by NYX Cosmetics. I don't really see a difference, but whatever. Now I'm gonna take this Tarteist lip paint right here and put that over my lips. Oh, this is in the shade Birthday Suit. And now I'm gonna go in with this Iconic London lip gloss right here. Oh, it's pink, guys. I'm scared. It smells good though. I'm gonna go back in with a darker lip liner because I feel like that just kind of washed out my lips. Like, where'd my lips go? I don't know. Maybe this one will do something. This is in the shade Natural. That didn't do not a damn thing. I need like a brown one. What's this one? Okay, let me put on some highlighter real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, this completes the look right here. I just finished it off with some Make It Dewy setting spray by Milani. So let me know how you like this look. I really enjoyed the products of this Boxycharm box. They were really useful, helpful. The lip gloss wasn't as bad as I thought, but I do need to get a darker lip liner, so y'all remind me. I really love the eye look that I created. There was like no fallout, which love that. I mean, the brushes were great. The sponges, again, great. I love how it was able to get everything. The primer smoothed the heck out of my face. It made putting on my foundation a breeze. And I do feel like it definitely like smoothed my pores out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, please. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.